attributes in editing. For example, we have a sentence, it was him and not me. This sentence also needs editing. It was not he and it was he and it was not I. This is equal to it was he and not I. Now, this sentence, it was he and not, it was not I, becomes it was he and not I. What is the background of converting this into this and finally this? Here comes the role of structure of a sentence. Every sentence has subject and predicate. Subject is a person, place or thing about which we say something. Subject is person, place or thing. It is a subject here. It represents something in the preceding sentence. It is a pronoun which has come with regard to something in the preceding sentence. So, it is the subject. Second part of the sentence is predicate. Predicate expresses the action or condition of the subject. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is a person, place or thing, and predicate is action or condition of that person, place or thing. Here we have the condition of the subject. It was. Was denotes the condition. We use is, am, are, was, were. We use these verbs for denoting the condition of the subject. Now, predicate consists of the verb. So, verb here is was. Predicate expresses the action or condition of the subject. It consists of the predicate consists of the verb with object or complement, if any, and any modifications and qualifications. So, predicate expresses the action or condition of the subject. Predicate consists of the verb. We have a verb here telling us the condition of the subject. with object or complement, if any. Now, when we have a verb of condition and sense is not clear, then we require a complement. We need a complement when the sense indicated by a verb of condition is not clear. So we use a complement or completer. Now, it was he. He here is a complement or completer of was. When the verb of condition doesn't clarify, we require a complement. And complement can be a noun or an adjective. So here we have a pronoun or noun equivalent as a complement. When the complement is a pronoun, as is the case here, the pronoun has to be in the nominative case. When we have a pronoun as complement, it has to be in the nominative case. Now, what is a nominative case? Nominative case is the form of a noun pronoun or adjective expressing its relation with some other word or words in a sentence is called a case. So when we have a pronoun as a complement, it has to be in the nominative case. So what is the nominative case of a pronoun? Nominative case means the shape of a subject of a pronoun. The same shape which is that of a subject is used as complement. For example, I, you, he, she, it. They are nominative cases of a pronoun. And we have a pronoun as complement. It has to be a nominative case. So, it was he. Hence, this sentence changes from it was him to it was he. This is the completion of first sentence. Now, we have studied about subject, predicate, verb, complement and case for editing one sentence. And it was not me. This is a separate sentence. In fact, it was him and not me is a compound sentence. It has two independent clauses. Two sentences combined into one. Compound sentence. So second sentence also is and not me. The full form of this second sentence is and it was not I. It is the subject of the second sentence Was is the verb, adverb and complement. So it was not I. Nominative case of pronoun. The third one is it was he and not I. So this sentence, it was not him, it was him and not I. It was him and not I gets finally converted into it was he and not I. It gets converted into it was he and not I. Now the matter comes, how does it gets converted into it was he and not I? This is because of the rules of ellipsis in English. Ellipsis means the syntactical shortening of the construction of a sentence. Ellipsis means the syntactical shortening of the construction of a sentence by omitting a word or words that might readily be understood by the context. In brief, ellipsis means we can prune some part of the sentence which is readily understandable from the context or backdrop of the sentence. So, and it was not I gets reduced to and not I, because this part it was is understood from the context or background of the sentence. So finally, editing means it was him and not I gets edited to it was he and not I. This is one rule of editing. Now next is synthesis and transformation. We use these two things for editing, synthesis and transformation. There is very significant role of the participles, gerund and infinitive in these two tasks. Participles, gerund, infinitive are used in synthesis and transformation. We'll cover this in our next lecture. For more information, my phone number is my email is I'll request all of you to go through my submissions. Please give us suggestions and do contact me on my email or on my WhatsApp number. I'll be shortly launching my YouTube channel for editing also. Thank you very much and God bless you all.